All right.
All right. So here we're starting to set up the practice pit for the contest. And the first step is just picking a wall that's going to be the official judging control section. Because sometimes in nature, soil is very diverse. And there has been times where each wall of the pit was technically a slightly different soil. So that's why we select one where we're like, this is the one we're judging. So there's no confusion. And then, you know, these were opened up with backhoes. So you get backhoe teeth marks, which we don't want to see. So first off, just kind of clean up the face, kind of pick at it to make it look a little more natural without the teeth marks distracting. And also I'm feeling for compaction. I'm feeling for textural differences, just kind of seeing some of the natural breaks and horizonation in the properties.
And what's going to happen is the FFA kids, this is for FFA judging, they're supposed to come out and figure out what the soil's like, and they're going to texture it, you mentioned.
Yeah.
And so they're going to compete on the soil.
Yes, so this is an FFA program. I was an FFA as a high schooler. They're called CDEs, Career Development Events. And so these are supposed to be where, you know, the kids apply what they learned in the classroom. So they're supposed to have studied. There's also a handbook written by U of I for the Idaho land judging contest. And it teaches them like a Soils 101. And then about how the different properties affect interpretations. If you were going to make this either a home site, build a house, what kind of things do you have to think about as far as like foundations and septic systems and drainage and that kind of thing. Or if you were looking at it from production, based on the properties, how do you think it would do? And so they learned that in the classroom, and then this is like the lab application at the contest. And then if they do well here, this is a regional contest, they'll advance to state, which is in Burley for Idaho. And then if they do well there, they can go to nationals.